be wilding out, but welcome to Let's See. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Thanks so much for watching. We appreciate you. Subscribe, like, get your Let's Eat apron, get your mugs. I've been doing this brunch for a long time. And somebody hit me up the other day and said, when are you going to show me how to do those shrimp and grits? Today's the day. Let's go. Get yourself 2 cups of water. For my island people, 2 cups of water. It's very simple, but it's a great meal. It's a great filler, and it's fun. So 2 cups of water and a ½ cup of grits. Oh yeah. I like to use these Quaker grits. They work really well. They're really good. They don't take too long. You can work with it. You can work with it. As that's going, I'm gonna put a little pinch or 2 of salt and let it do its thing. Use my little whisk too. While that's working, we'll take our shrimp. You remember in the other episode where I showed you how to clean your shrimp? Take the peel off. Just like that. Okay? Very simple. Very simple. Not hard, not difficult. This one's acting up a little bit. Gotcha, gotcha, I gotcha. I want to thank y'all so much, man, for watching the last episode we did. Was the, I think it was the, what one was it? Let me think now. You so much. I think it was the curry chicken. That was a big one. That was a big one. Clam chowder was big too. The lobster scampi was big too. So stay tuned to all those great episodes. They're coming to you every Friday night, 8 o'clock. They're coming. Oh, I got something big coming too. Me and my wife are going to do a couples episode. She's nervous. She don't like being in front of camera. I try to get your hair right, get your mind right, and let's do this thing. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. We're going to have a nice date night, couples night. I want y'all to get together with your man and your woman and just cook together and have a good time. That water's going to boil real quick. Don't forget to have your hot water ready to go in the sink. A little bit of soap, touch of bleach, so you're not touching nothing. Keep your hands clean at all times. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, we're looking good. Now you're going to add your grits once your water comes to a boil. But you're not going to cover it until after it simmers down a little bit. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Add your grits, turn it around, take a little peek at it. All it is grits and water, a little bit of salt, and just keep spinning it around, let it do her thing, let it do her thing. Now my secret to it, I like a lot of pepper in mine. I can relate. Maybe 2.5 pinches of pepper. Just so she act right. Just so she act right. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Smell it already. I can smell it already. Now I'm gonna start off with 2 say 3 cubes of butter. And it's starting to boil. So now I want to turn it down a little bit to a simmer. And it's literally, the reason why you got to keep it moving, because you don't want no lumps to form. Once those lumps form, it's like cement. It's hard for them to get out, hard for them to get out. Oh yeah. Okay. Turn up a little bit, just to, we're on medium right now. It's on medium. It's simmering. You see it starting to simmer. Just perfect. You hear that? Oh yeah. That's perfect. We'll go back to it later. Now we'll get our shrimp going. With oil. Oh yeah. Looking good, looking good. See, I like to keep messing with it a little bit, because it only takes a few minutes. And you gotta make sure you turn it down, because now it's starting to touch a little bit. As low as possible. And every few minutes, give them my temperature. That's perfect, that's perfect, that's perfect. This is a nice, old school Southern meal. Now, with my shrimp and grits, the way I make them, with a little spice to it, a little kick to it. So, it's gonna be nice, it's gonna be nice. Oh yeah, we're getting there, we're getting there. He said you have to baby these grits. You gotta baby these grits. For some reason, I don't know if it's the law or what the reason is, but you can never make a small batch of grits. Always gonna be too much. Ain't nothing wrong with that. You gotta deal with it. Here we go. Got some scripts in there, some scripts. Got some scripts in there, baby. Right. Let it do its thing, let it do its thing. It's gonna be a fast process, very fast. These are the nice jumbo shrimp. I like the nice jumbo ones. There you go. A little salt. A little bit of pepper. Nice, nice, nice. There you go. You can smell it. You can smell it. You can smell the old girl doing her thing. Stay on top of these grits. If you don't, you will have a problem. It'll be cement. And you don't want that. These things smell incredible. They smell incredible. I'm a big fan of the butter for my grits. So if that's not what you want to do, just cut back a little bit. But I like that. Okay. Nice little 2 touches of garlic. Oh yeah. Turn it down a little bit. Turn it down a little bit. Take a peek at that. It's getting there. Once that color starts to get there, keep moving her around. Keep moving her around. She'll be alright. She'll be alright. Now you're gonna start building it. Now you're gonna start building it. A little bit of Cajun seasoning. I'm talking about this. Is my secret right there. That's my secret piece right there. Couple of flakes. Oh yeah. Come on, man. That spice will get ya. It'll get ya. Keep an eye on it. Give it a little shot. That white wine. Little shot right there. Yeah, this is coming out real good. Real good. This is how you do it, man. Take your time. Don't overdo it. A little bit of lemon juice. A little touch. It's very similar to that scampi I showed you a while back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's getting real nice. So, as your shrimp starting to work, you want to finish your shrimp with a simmer. You don't want to beat it down because it turns to rubber quickly. So, once it starts to simmer, you add your butter. Your butter is going to bring it to a nice creamy consistency that you're looking for. A little bit of green for the color. Gotta have the green now. Gotta have the green. Let me show you how it looks. Very simple. Not complicated. You see it's not fully done. You gotta let it simmer and let it finish it when it simmers, okay? Turn me up a little bit. Turn me up a little bit. You ever on your way to work, you're in the car, glass on you here, stays in your mind all day, all night? That's me. I love doing this, man. I love spending time with you guys, cooking, sharing some secrets together, having a good time. It's all fun. Now I'm gonna do something. I usually add cheese to it twice. Add cheese to it for a garnish, but also for the body. Just give me a nice 2 times with the cheese. 2 times. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Can't go wrong. Look at that. Look at them cheesy grits, y'all. Look at them cheesy grits. That's it. Let it get in there. Mix it all together. It's going to hold it together too. It's going to give you a lot of body. That's working. Don't forget the old girl now. Don't forget the old girl. Look at that. Come on now. Come on, y'all. Let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. Yes. This is a nice meal, man. This is a nice, hearty meal. It's a nice, quick meal. If you're not really an avid cooker, or you're not really confident in yourself just yet, this is a great meal to cook somebody, to impress them. You know, it's nice. Oh, it's coming together nice. Oh! Y'all need to stop playing, man. Subscribe, like, let's keep doing this. Every week, every Friday, 8 o'clock. You can make it a girls' night. Fellas, go in the other room, watch these little trinkets and techniques. You want to surprise your woman? That's how you do it. They always say a way to a man's heart is through his stomach. Same thing with the women. I'm trying to tell you. Oh yeah. This is crazy. As that's simmering, we're gonna start building. These grits are ready. Turn them off. Let's get ready to plate. Turn it down a little bit. I want it to go all the way to the end. So, you're doing your grits, you want to get them right in the middle of the plate. Right in the middle of the plate. Oh yeah. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. This is it. This is it. Take that cheese. Also for a garnish, right in the middle. Let it do its thing, man. Let it do its thing. Don't try to fight it. Try to get them to stand up. You gotta move quickly because they will fall on you. You're trying to fall on the old boy, but can't let that happen. Oh yeah. Come on, y'all. This is it. What it's all about. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared. Make it happen, make it happen. Take your product right along the outside. We Buffalo girls around the outside. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Y'all don't know about that. Gotta hit it with a little garnish on that piece. Gotta hit it with a little something on there. Listen, y'all. I'm gonna tell you something, man. This is simple. It's being patient with your food, taking your time with your food. I love you. I appreciate you. Let's keep going. Let's keep moving. Come on, man. Let's eat.